Okay, today I'm reviewing Creatures 2 for the Commodore 64. Creatures 2 was requested by a YouTube user, and I can see why, because let's try and speed this up a bit. Okay, this is Creatures 2, this is by Thamalus, made in 1992. This game is absolutely brilliant. Let me just do something because I forgot to do it. Okay, sorry about that. This game is brilliant. Okay, this game is one of the best looking Commodore 64 games I've ever saw in my life. It's just perfect in every detail. It's very cute, it's very hard, it's gory as well, believe it or not. Basically, as you can see, the graphics did already. The graphics on this game are absolutely beautiful. Oh, you feck. Now, what you gotta do, you change. Oh, you feck. Change your weapon. Now jump, 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 jump. Careful. You gotta kill him. Oh, you gotta get the momentum right. So if you don't, you just land right into his bullet. This game is very, very difficult indeed. Let's jump. Jump. Oh! You gotta have real patience and you gotta get the momentum right. Fucking hell. So, Jesus. So he's dead. We'll collect that right now. What you gotta do? Push that bomb over to there. And you gotta jump back across. Because I've got that power up, I can now shoot, change my shooting method. So it changed to that one. And now I can shoot these. Takes quite a bit to do. Another thing, you're against the time as well. Because if you look in the bottom of the screen, you'll see your friend in a minute come on that conveyor belt, and you've got to try and save him. Which is not easy at all. Not easy at all. Oh, they're dead now. Set that off. Now I can fall down. Now, you have to hit that switch. Now, as you can see, I've done it. Stage 1 complete. Now this is level 2. Now this is where it gets really hard, because you have to move this platform. Oh, you biff. You have to move this platform, catch your buddy. Now he'll bend. I'll flick him. Flick him. That's it. And you gotta be quick, because you gotta be ready. You can see the graphics are completely different and they look absolutely beautiful. Oh no, I've got to start from the beginning. Anyway, Creatures 2 for the Commodore 64 is a fantastic masterpiece. It really pushes the limits of the Commodore 64 to extreme levels. Creatures 2 by Thamalus for the Commodore 64 gets a 10 out of 10. Woo! Goodbye!